Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Hope everybody's having a good time and you've been practicing your pinstriping and airbrushing skills and beer drinking skills. Cheers! It's always good, as long as wet is good. Right, what we're doing today, I'm gonna do a little panel. As I said before, for my online shop. I've picked up it's a piece of wood, like an MDF kind of wood panel, but it's very nicely finished in gloss white. You can see the size of it is quite a large piece, and I'm gonna do some scroll style pinstriping for it today. I think I got nothing in plan, nothing special, just probably non-symmetrical, a little bit chaotic kind of pinstriping, a bit of my style. I'm gonna start with some kind of color, some kind of brush. I have no plans for it whatsoever, and I'm gonna throw it in my online shop later on, which I throw the link over here and later on in the description. So if anybody would like to get this item, own it and put it on their wall, you just get in touch with me and buy it from my little shop. Alright, without too much talk, I'm gonna get to work. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna start with blue because I kind of like that shade of blue. Goes, I think it'll go quite nice on the white background. Well, as a base color anyway, I think that's pretty good choice. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys watch what I do. Speed up a little bit and we take it from there. And there we have it guys, the panel is ready. White gloss background, we got blue, we've got some orange with highlights, red dots and a silver outline around the edges. As you can see, it wasn't that difficult after all. A bit of a freestyle scrolling pinstriping, nothing specific, you know. Hopefully some of you who's into pinstriping can pick something up from this, but there are many way more talented artists than myself. So if you guys see anything I can improve on, any criticism, by any all means drop me a comment below and I'll be very happy to read that and hear from you. And this panel is, well, it will be available from my online shop for you guys to buy. All you need to do, just head into cambridgepinstriping.com, head to the shop section. I've got a little online shop going on over there, and this piece you'll be able to purchase and some other pieces over there as well, and I'll be producing some more of them in the very near future. And just to wrap up this video, I need to shout a big thanks to all of you guys who already went to my online shop and purchased some of my art, some of my things I painted over here and I showed you a couple of weeks ago. That is a great help, that really is. I mean, that means the rent for this place, for the garage, it's paid for another 6 weeks just from that purchases from you guys. from that sales I made. So that is an amazing help. Thank you very much. That is a great help. That means thanks to this we'll be able to grow the channel and expand it even more. I can do these pieces every couple of weeks or something like this, and I should keep me going with the garage. That means we can focus on more interesting projects, go back very quickly to the Virago build, and I've got some other things, very interesting motorcycle related things going on in the background as well, which we will cover in 2018. So once again guys, cambridgepinstriping.com, my website. There's an online shop. You can get this piece and other pieces and the pieces I'll be painting for you guys in the future. Head on over there, have a look at the website if you want to. Drop me a question if you have any question. Drop me a comment below if you want to know something more, or you have any suggestions for me whatsoever. I'll be very happy to hear from you. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. You guys are making this channel, you guys are making it grow, and I really appreciate that. Well, until next time, you have a beer, rock hard, and I'll see you very soon.